Good morning class. Today we will start with class 9 Economics chapter 3 Poverty as a Challenge, and this is our 5th lecture, and our first topic is anti-poverty measures. Anti-poverty measures. So in India, government have started so many schemes such as economic growth and targeted anti-poverty measures to reduce poverty level in India. And under this scheme, government had started so many schemes such as महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट और प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना और द अंत्योदय अन्न योजना. So in this topic, government has started so many anti-poverty alleviation programs to reduce the poverty level in a country and to maintain the basic needs of the citizens. So according to the anti-poverty measures, removal of poverty has been one of the major objectives of Indian development strategy. The current anti-poverty strategy of the government is based broadly on two plans. First one is promotion of economic growth. So under government has taken two steps. First one is promotion of economic growth, and second one is targeted anti-poverty programs. So in economic growth, so basically in first part, economic growth widens opportunities and provides provisions needed to invest in human development. So basically, under the promotion of economic growth, first state government has taken to economic growth, widens opportunities and provides the resources needed to invest in human development. And second one is it encouraged people to send their children, including the girl child, to schools in the hope of in the hope of getting better economic returns from investment in education. So this is the second point regarding promotion of economic growth is it encourages people to send their children, including the girl child, in schools in the hope of getting better economic returns from investment in education. And our third point is growth in the agricultural sector. So third point is growth in the agricultural sector. So government has started so many economic programs under which government has provided so many tools and machineries in the field of agriculture sector, and government is targeting to increase the productivity of the agriculture. So let's see our next topic, anti-poverty measures. So second point is targeted anti-poverty measures. So under this topic, first point comes is government has started so many. In these circumstances, there is a clear need for targeted anti-poverty program. Although there is so many schemes which are formulated to affect poverty directly or indirectly, some of them are worth mentioning. So government has started so many anti-poverty programs such as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Rural Guarantee Act 2005. So, in this program, government has started Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So, this is called MNREGA. So this scheme is also called MNREGA. Under this scheme, 100 days of to everyone and to ensure livelihood, security in rural areas. So basically the first anti-poverty elimination programs के अंदर महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट जो कि 2005 में लॉन्च हुआ था, इसके तहत 100 days of employment is provided to everyone and to ensure livelihood security in the rural areas. Under this scheme, above the scheme provided employment to 220 crore person, days of employment to 4.78 crore households. The share of SC/ST women persons day in the scheme are 23%, 17% and 53% respectively. So the average wage has increased from 65 in 2006 and 2007 to 132 in 2004, 13 and 14. So basically the share of SC, ST and women were made different under these schemes. So and another scheme such as Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana PMRY. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana is another scheme under which the aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. So basically जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना है, इसके तहत गवर्नमेंट ने एक ऐसा स्कीम या फिर ऐसा प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है जिसके तहत जो भी पढ़े लिखे नौजवान हैं किसी भी एरिया में, किसी भी टाउन में, किसी भी विलेज में, उनको सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट का मौका दिया जाए. दे आर हेल्प इन सेटिंग अप स्मॉल बिजनेस एंड इंडस्ट्रीज. सो बेसिकली द मोटो ऑफ दिस वन is to create self employment in rural or urban areas by creating small business and industries. So basically class, the second targeted anti-poverty measures में गवर्नमेंट ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना बनाई, जिसके तहत जितने भी नौजवान हैं पूरे देश में, उनको जो है चाहे वो किसी गांव में रहते हो या फिर किसी शहर में रहते हो, उनको सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट का मौका दिया गया, जिसके तहत बच्चों को स्मॉल बिजनेस रन करने का या फिर एक स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज जो है वो स्टैब्लिश करने का मौका दिया गया ताकि इन यूथ्स में एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट हो सके. So class, our next topic is, next point is rural employment generation program. REGP was launched in 1995. ये प्रोग्राम जो है गवर्नमेंट ने रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम जो कि गवर्नमेंट ने 1995 में स्टार्ट की थी. द मेन एम ऑफ the program is to create self-employment. So its main objective was also to create self-employment in rural and small towns. So under this employment generation program, the main objective was to create self-employment in rural and small towns. A target for creating 25 lakh new jobs has been set for the program under the 10th 5-year plan. So main motto was to create 25 lakh jobs in both the areas, either rural or small towns. So main motto behind this program was to create self-employment in rural and small towns and to provide 25 lakh jobs in both the areas. And our next program is Swarojgar. So Swर्ण Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. So this was launched in the year 1999. So and another anti-elevation program run by the government is Swर्ण Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, which was launched in the year 1999, and its main aim was to bring in the assisted poor families above the poverty line. So to uplift or to bring poor families above the poverty line. So basically the main aim of this scheme was to bring poor family above the poverty line. जो families है cities में या villages में, इनके यहाँ की जो भी फैमिली जो बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन में है उनको अबव पॉवर्टी लाइन में लाना है. और सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप एंड टू क्रिएट and also to create self help group. Self-help groups through a brand credit. Brand credit and self-help group by bank credit and subsidy. So मेन मोटो ये था कि इनको जो है क्या करना है, पॉवर्टी लाइन से ऊपर लाना है और इनको जो है सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में कन्वर्ट कर देना है। मैं जिनको इस ऐसे ग्रुप्स में बनाए जो कि वो एक कोऑपरेटिव्स के रूप में सामने आए और उनको जो है कुछ बैंक जो है वो क्रेडिट देती है और उस क्रेडिट में भी जो गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे सब्सिडीज दी है या फिर बहुत सारे छूट दिए हैं इन लोगों को ताकि वो पॉवर्टी लेवल से ऊपर आ सके। So our next program is, so class, our next program is प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना। PMGY जो कि लॉन्च हुआ था 2000 में। So the main aim of this scheme was to additional central assistance is given to the state for basic service and as a primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water and rural electrification. So government has given funds. So government ने funds दिया जिसको states government funds provided to the state government